We are not depending on these. God gave us wisdom, and so to do this, and so we are depending on Him to keep them for us.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Hi guys, we are doing some food preparation now.
Food storage.
Food storage now. We're doing some food storage. Beryl taught us some lessons that we are going to need food for a rainy time, because most of the things that we stored during Beryl and after, we use them. So we used to store things, but this has let us do more now. Beryl was a test run. So we are going to do some bulgur. You can do flour, you can do cornmeal, you can do rice with it. Right? What you do, I'm going to put the bulgur into the deep freeze. Bulgur into the deep freeze, freeze it for 7 days, take it out, let it thaw for 4 days. Then I put it back again for 7 days and let it thaw out. Then when I take it out this time, I put it in the sun. I sun it for about 5 to 6 days. You can put it in your oven, but because the sun is so hot, I put it in the sun. And the reason why I do this is because I want to kill the larva that is in there, the weevils, right? So, you know, a worm will take things if you don't prepare them properly.
Right.
So the worm, say for example now the weevil is in it, right? When you put it to freeze, the larva will open. Yeah.
The eggs hatch when you freeze it and thaw it. In the thawing process, the eggs hatch. After the eggs hatch, you freeze it back now to kill them, right? And then when you take it out back now, you have to dry it. You understand? Right.
I already do that process, right? So what we're going to do now, we're going to put it into this bag.
Storage bag.
The storage bag.
I don't remember the name of that bag.
They come on rolls, right? They come on rolls and you cut them to the size that you want, right? And you're going to seal it, and that's it. Put it up. Store your food.
This is what it looks like up close in a roll, right? This is that one that we haven't used yet, a roll.
And guys, we have to do this because we believe a time is coming when we won't be able to buy or sell. And so if we can store something for that rainy day,
we do that. All right, so we're going to first seal the bottom of the bag. So this machine, it's not expensive. It's very economical, as mommy was just saying to me, and cheap. So you have, whether you're doing food dry or moist, whether you're sealing, whether you vacuum and sealing at the same time, right? We will put the link below if you want to get one of these machines, fine? So I'm gonna press seal, and it will seal the bottom of the bag. That's it doing its thing. So we cut it already, right? And it's open at 2 ends. Hope you can see that. So it's open at both ends, and we create a seal for it, right? Mommy can do it from here. There's even a knife on the machine where I can cut the bag. So I can cut the bag on the machine itself. It does everything. All right, I'll be assisting mommy to fill the bag and everything. We're cutting off the top, right?
yes.
Where's the scissors? Oh.
So now,
What do you want me to do? You want to hold the bag, or you want me to hold the bag? You're good with that?
I can hold the bag.
All right. So now we just fill the.
You know, let's put in let us put in
a pimento.
So if in case, for sure, you know, pimento have a strong smell, and weevils don't like pimentos.
Weevils don't like strong smell. Anything with strong smell, and we like the smell of the pimento. Yes, baby. Grandpa, let Grandpa help you, and we just pour it in. When we reach halfway, we plan to put another pimento inside. I can put 2, right? So when you want me to stop? Yeah, it's really dry.
Yes, the sun is so hot.
I think that's about it.
Okay. So you want to have space there when you seal it. What you think?
What, can I put some more?
You can put a little more in there.
This is Mommy and Shian's thing. They always do this together. Shian is not here, so we gotta do what we gotta do. All right, shake it down. Put 2 more pimento. What is 6 pimento to this?
Right. And you're gonna seal it up now.
Right. Open it for me, Mommy. Just open it. Don't press. Just open it. It's open.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Stop. Now you press the side. Press. And then you just put it on here. And what it does, if you notice there's, all right, first of all, if you notice there's air in the bag, right? What it's supposed to do is suck out all the air. It's supposed to remove all the air. All right? I don't like that it's not flat. It has to be flat. All right, close it down for me. If it's not flat and you have gaps, then it's vacuum and oh, you press the wrong thing. Start seal it. So you're not supposed to press the ceiling. Don't seal. That was a mistake, but don't seal without vacuuming. Okay? But it's because we were trying to. All right, I think we need to do it like this. Bring it up here.
Right.
Put it here. It needed to lay down. Fine. Vacuum and seal.
So this is sucking out the air.
Yeah. And it's a little messy, that's fine. All right. So this is one way that we do that. The other way, Baba G, you're going to show us. So if you notice, it's tight.
It's tough.
It's hard. There's no air inside, right?
How long can this stay for? How long can you put this down for?
It all depends. Some food, it depends on the shelf life of the food. Some foods can say 1 to 2 years, even 5 years. It depends on what it is. Okay. What I will do, I'm not going to lie, I don't know how long bulgur can stay for, and I will just look at how long it's recommended to stay, and I can put it on the video. All right, so then next way we use to do this, we don't have any others that are already open?
Only these. Yeah. They're small.
Mylar bags.
Small ones?
Oh, them small. So you wanted
like
a bigger one. You wanted a bigger one then?
A big one is
for the smaller one them no?
For the smaller one.
When you use them, you just cook a pound of
Yes. All right, true.
So these are Mylar bags. Right?
That was the right part. Yes, this part.
This part.
So you're going to put in your oxygen absorber.
So there are 2 types of oxygen absorbers that we have. Where's the other type, Mommy?
It's into a brown.
Where is it? There was one under here, you know.
No, I put a bag there with one, a brown paper bag.
I know, but I don't want to open it.
Oh, okay.
So I wanted to show them the one that's already open. Oh, I guess I can show them through here. So this is another one. This one. Oh, but we could use this. You know how they do it in packets. Okay. It's okay, but this one, I like this one. However, once you use it and you open it, the oxygen in the air can deactivate. So you have to use it very quickly, right? While this other one now keeps moisture away from food.
Put one in there already.
Oh, you put one in there already?
Yes.
All right, you do this one.
You sure?
Is me sure?
I want to be sure. Yes.
All right. Okay, so we don't need the vacuum sealer for this one.
Yes, you're going to use it to suck out the air.
Oh yes, we need the vacuum. See, I tell you, I don't really do this thing. Too much.
Yeah.
Is it too much?
No.
Yes, it's too much. I forgot to throw back some. If we should open the bottom. Oh, if we open the bottom. No, don't need to throw back any.
Okay.
We open the bottom.
Did you show
stand
this?
Up. Oh, you can show it.
This is what we
Funnel?
use. This is a funnel, and we use it. It is specially for food and for this purpose. So you throw the.
So it came from a canning kit. I got interested in canning long ago, like 2020, 2021, after COVID. And I got this, which is to take up your cans. This is to also help to take up the cans and when they're hot and after canning. We haven't started that yet though. And this is to put in the can, but it works perfectly with this tool.
Is a tube.
All right. So one person can do this, but it's easier if 2 persons do it. It's harder if 1 person do it. Not true?
Yeah.
So we put it to the edge of the bag, right? We've realized when we put it here so to seal it, it just doesn't do a good job like with the other thinner bags. So we'll put it to the edge of the bag. We'll close the bag all the way to the edge, and we get, as you put the oxygen absorber already.
Yes.
I will get as much air out as possible. I put 2 pimentos. I think that's fine because it's like a pound bag, as you say.
Right.
And we just start sealing. And it will take some time, but it does get, you can see the side going in. But this is a very sturdy bag. That's the thing. It's not thin and flimsy. So you really just want to get out most of the oxygen or air, really. Once you do that, you just tightly close it because we put the oxygen absorber plus we put pimento seed.
And these are Mylar bags.
Yes. Mommy prefers this one.
Yes, I like it. And
why you don't like that one?
Because if this gets like a squeeze or a crease, if it gets a crease, you have to do it over.
We realize we've done it and some of them open.
It's soft,
yes,
soft.
The air find a way to go in.
Right, when you seal it.
Right, but these, we've done this and these have held up. Alright, so we're going to do the rest and we're going to show you the end product. Alright, Mama G, what are we doing now?
Well, we're finishing up.
So as you can see, that we did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of these, and we did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 Mylar bags, right? So we're gonna do the final one just to show you again. All right, I would put down the buckets. I would put it on here so for now. So just showing the process again. We'll put 2 or 3 pimentos in there. Right, but hold it, remember the picture. Mommy's gonna cut the bag. This might not use a Mylar bag in a minute. Pour it in here. No, I don't think we're gonna use a Mylar bag. Okay. This took all of this, alright. And put an oxygen absorber. Really, I don't think it's an oxygen absorber, I think it's an
hydrator.
Right. Desiccant. Keeps it dry. No moisture. Right? And open here. Vacuum and seal. Papa G is having a snack. Papa G, you disconnect my thing. It's okay, you can go. Disconnect. Touch my things. Alright, she don't want it. So we're allowing it to vacuum and seal. Did I turn this back on? Yes, I did.
Okay.
So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now the last thing for the Mylar bags. have no space up here. The last thing for the Mylar bags, mommy.
We are going to use the
Flat iron.
flat iron, right? Used to do here, right?
So the flat iron seals these bags.
Right, just
Keep
seal
it on for like just a few seconds.
It's hot.
It's been on, and it just seals it.
Yeah.
Can't open the top.
So let's seal them.
Yeah, I'll go around the other side and do it since I'm. See the plug. Plug not hot round so. All right. We're finished with this now, so we don't really need that anymore.
We can move it.
Yeah, you can move the vacuum sealer. Alright, so we just put it to the top. None of us go use flat iron again, really. So this is our purpose for. I will just seal them. Let me can seal this.
Can I look at this again?
Food grade.
Okay, we have food grade buckets. If you can see, this one used to have pickled mackerel in it. You just wash it and sterilize it properly. Sterilize it, and you can store your food into it. So you don't have to use these bags if you don't have them, right? Just get the food grade buckets and do the same process. Get to kill the worms, freeze, take out, freeze, sun, freeze, and then sun the last thing.
So it's freeze, thaw,
yes.
freeze for 7 days or 3 days, thaw for 4 days, freeze again, and then you thaw and dry it. We used the sun, so whichever process they use, and then you would put it in the bucket, and then you would put the same oxygen absorber and the pimento seeds and seal it. Not how mommy put on the bucket, but seal it down, right? And store whatever food item in there. And these are the amount of Mylar bags we got.
So we're going to label our things now.
Oh yes. Where's the labels?
Right over there, we have them.
Here they are.
Where the marker?
So I'm just going to show you one label. Let me go for the marker.
So what are you going to put on the label?
So I'm going to put the date, and I am going to put the name of the food product. So I'm going to put Bulgur. And today is the 21st of the 9th, 2024. So that's what I'm going to do. And then you can just go on labeling the rest of them, mommy. And then I just stick it on here. For these, of course, I don't have to put Bulgur because I can see, but I need to put the date, right? But can you imagine you have Mylar bags with rice, beans, or whatever else, and then you don't know what is in there? Makes no sense. So you have to put the name and the date, all right, on the Mylar bags. And that's it from us as it relates to our current food storage journey and where we are with dry storage. We haven't gotten to wet storage yet. Hopefully eventually we'll get there, but right now, and living in Jamaica, I realize it's not a thing of our culture. It's not something that we necessarily do, so it's something we're learning. The first time I met food storage was when I was in Ukraine. You want me to put it on it for you and then you label it?
My eyes not.
The eyes not seeing it because it's barely showing. When I was in Ukraine, and my roommate would do canning, and she would can, meaning she would store for winter jam, raspberry, fruits, cauliflower. We'd have vegetables, fresh, well, it's not fresh, stored vegetables, and it tastes just as good as how it tastes fresh, right? And this was my first introduction to food storage, and it was an eye-opener for me. And then after, when COVID came, you know, you can't go to the supermarket freely because you have to go for this name, that name. You know, I was just like, I need to learn what Gozelle taught me. I don't remember what she taught me because we used to do it together. And I've told her she has to give me another tutorial, but that is our aim eventually, to get to that place of also wet canning, right? So dry and wet storage. And Mommy, you have anything else to say?
Well, what I like with these bags, the Mylar bags, is that this look like maybe a 2 pounds. You can maybe cook this, prepare this for a family. You don't have to open and go back, you know. These now, the bigger ones, you have to be planning to cook a lot one time, because you can't. But once you open it, it is over. The seal is broken and it cannot store again. You have to use it. We are not depending on these. God gave us wisdom, and so to do this, and so we are depending on Him to keep them for us.
Right. So this is not something that we're saying, oh, in time, so we have to store food and we have to put our faith in this. No, we know we'll have to run to the rocks eventually.
Right. Anything can happen and we lose it, but at least we are preparing.
Right. It's better, we see it this way. It's better you have it when you need it than you need it and you don't have it. So we're not putting our faith in these things, all this vanity and vexation of spirit. We're putting our faith in God that has given us the wisdom to do this, and He will preserve it. It's all on Him to preserve it. If He doesn't want to, that's Him. If He wants to, it's Him. Now the 3 boo boys, what did they say?
Yes.
Whether He protects us or not,
we will
trust
stand.
Him. Yeah.